We're back at it again. This haul comes all the way from the USA. This is from John, and he has two racing teams. He has Power Drive Racing and also Lost Coast Racing. I have had a quick look on the inside, and you know the drill. Let's lay it out, and let's have a look and see exactly what's inside this. There we go. What a massive selection you have sent through, mate. There's a lot here. I will actually make a couple of videos on this. I think today, in this video, we'll just focus on the customs that you have sent through, and also a couple of others for hot rods. So yeah, it's a very large collection. Let's get into it. Right in front of me are the customs. To my right, there are all the customs. There's 5 of those, and to the left are some other cars for hot rods. I will get to the customs in a minute, but first let's look at this stuff on our left. This is all for hot rods. Okay, the first one we're looking at right here is the orange Chevy Silverado 2007 model. I love the colour of this. Look at the details on the inside of this. And also it's got the bike in the back. Now there is a driver for this, and I'm pretty sure it's Betsy Woods. If I do have this wrong, I do apologise. I'm just going off your notes, John. So Betsy Woods is driving this in, I would say, hot rods. So good luck racing. Let's move into the next one. Look at this one. This is a little ripper. This is the orange Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition, 1997. Also, John's notes are telling me I've never seen this one in Australia. So this one does have a driver also. The driver is Jack Yeti Jr. for Lost Coast Racing. So good luck racing on hot rods. Let's move into this next one. This next car is also heading into hot rods, starting up very soon. And this is the blue Porsche Panamera Turbo 2017. Now the driver for this is John Crew, who's driving for Power Drive Racing. Another nice car heading down to hot rods. Our first custom we're going to look at is right here. This is called the Kwambi. This is a VW flatbed. Now they have called this one the Rock Lobster, and the driver is Mal Santa. So good luck on the track, mate, on this one. I have actually seen this in the shops, but obviously this is a custom. I'm pretty sure you've done a wheel swap and obviously put some extra weight in there. It'll be very interesting to see how this handles Mountain Western Raceway. So good luck driving. I'm loving the look of this one here. This is the silver 1999 Chevy Monte Carlo Concept. They've called this one the Streak, and the driver is DJ Triple J. Look at this. I'm not familiar with this car at all, so I'm assuming that these decals are the original decals on it. The Streak looks like a tough racing machine. Looks like wheel swaps have been added to it. There's the name, the Streak. Wow, I can't wait to see this race down MWR in Road Warriors. Good luck. Moving along, right onto my right hand side is the 69 Pontiac, the orange Pontiac. Look at this thing, it's got some weight in it, I tell you. If it's balanced correctly, this thing will fly around the track. I'm assuming this has a wheel swap done, both front and rear. If not, pick me up in the comments. What a machine. Look at the big engine block sticking out there. Imagine seeing this in your rear vision mirror coming at you at 1,000,000 miles an hour. The Judge. What a tough looking Road Warrior this is. Good luck in Road Warriors. Next on the custom trail is the Shelby Cobra. Now the driver for this car is John Crew for Power Drive Racing, and the first thing I noticed, it's heavy, man. I don't know where you put the weight in this thing. Look at that, number 47, look at the flames. I'm not familiar with this particular casting. I'm assuming also that you've done a wheel swap here, or has this particular casting come out with those wheels? I'm not too sure. I love this, I love the look of this. It's really tough and street and ready to go. Also, the name of this car is Taz, T-A-Z. Good luck racing when you hit Road Warriors. Not too sure which season you'll be in, but you're definitely locked and loaded. And right here at Mount Western Raceway. This one right here in front of me is the final custom, and this custom is going into Road Warriors Season 2. This one is the Ford F-150 Blackfire. It's the Harley Davidson edition, and John says to me, it is fast. Well, I've got to tell you, I actually just let it rip down the track, and he's not wrong. This thing powers. There is something unique about this particular truck, and it's to do with the wheels. I'm going to show you. I do love the black colour. And here we go. Have a look at the wheels. Have a look at the back wheels. Well, what he's done, he's put some rubber, and I think they're from the Sizzler cars. Now, rubber wheels on Mount Western Raceway on Sizzler Fat Track doesn't work, period. They get stuck on the corners. And as I said, I've just let this rip down the track. And I've got to tell you, watch out everyone who's racing in Road Warriors. Just before we wrap up these cars, there's one down the back here, and there is a little note that says, have a look at it, Merry Christmas, open near last. Well, I can't wait until the last. And the driver for this is me. You know I'm a Holden man, and thank you so much for this. I've never seen this in Australia, and it's right here on Mount Western Raceway, and I'll be racing this one in hot rods. So through magic, I've just taken the packaging off. It's still attached, so I don't really want to pull it apart yet. I actually don't want to take it out of its casing, period. I want it to stay back in its housing, but look at this. What a stunning looking car. Look, you know, everything that comes to Mount Western Raceway actually does come out of its packaging and gets raced. So this is not going to sit in its packaging. This is going to get on the track, and watch out everyone. I'm behind a Holden, so just watch out. I'm going to take you all on. Good on you, mate. Well, what a fabulous look at some customs and also the other stock cars for hot rods. I can't wait to get these cars into Road Warriors and get the seasons going. This one in front of me, I'm looking forward to seeing this, how it goes up against all the other competitors from around the world. As mentioned earlier in this video, I will break this whole haul down into maybe another 2 or 3 videos, so we can have a closer look at this fabulous collection that John has sent through to Mount Western Raceway. Until then, catch you later, keep racing.